Hello everyone, boy do we have a treat for you all today. I'm Shekinah Williams, Extension Agent with South Carolina State University 1890 Extension and Research Program from the Low Country region. All right, see how excited they are? This is so awesome. So today, our sidekicks and myself are going to make ants on a log. Don't get freaked out, okay? It's not real ants. Here are our ingredients we're going to use for ants on a log today. We have celery sticks, we have raisins, we have peanut butter. All right, so those are the main ingredients. We've got our box of raisin that came in the school lunch. All right, and then we also had peanut butter. They usually deliver it in the little containers that comes with crackers. So we've got 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and then we have 6 celery sticks that are about the length of our pinky, okay? And then we had some leftovers also that we're gonna use to garnish, apples and oranges. So we got 4 slices of apples, 4 slices of oranges. All right, and I also put this dishcloth up under it so we won't make a mess, you know? So we'll be able to clean up very nice and easy because we don't want mom and dad to get mad at us. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take our celery stick, which is going to be the base for our log. Ari's going to spread some peanut butter on it. So our peanut butter has that brown color, so that's hoping to represent our log. And she's just filling in the inside part of the celery stick with the peanut butter. Okay? And the peanut butter is the base. It's going to help it stick, because we want our ants to stay on that log, right? All right, Bobby, do you want to go ahead and start putting some ants on the log? And check this out, how cool is that? The ants really were sitting on a log. They just love my jokes. All right, so we're gonna finish plating this. We're gonna put our celery sticks, our ants on the log. We're gonna also put our orange slices, and we're gonna put our apple slices, okay? And while they're finishing that up, I'm gonna do some magic real quick and show you our finished product. All right, ants on a log. This is going to be delicious. Go ahead and have a taste. Cool, right? Tastes pretty good? Mm-hmm. All right, so thanks everyone for watching us make this really cool, easy, crafty snack. If you want more information about South Carolina State University, our 1890 program, just visit our website, okay? So you can learn more. Thank you so much for watching. Let's tell them to have a good day.
Have a
good day.
Have a great day.